Hello guys, today we are going to study the lesson 8, which is about SketchUp, the basic of SketchUp. So today we have 12 points to study. It is just basic. First, how to use line. Yeah. So I will use how to use line. So this is wait. So this is the line. Click on it. It's suppose you drag it somewhere. See, if you drag to the front, the color is similar to this line, meaning it is synchronized, like this synchronized. But if you to other or left or right, if it black, it's not synchronized. So this is synchronized. Yeah, see. And press space to escape. And one more, you draw this something. See this is red, is synchronized to this axis. Space to escape. And you wanna to the top like this. Yeah, see, it's the same, the color is the same. Press space to escape. Okay, hope you understand it. And also when you draw it, the dimension is here. You see here, 19058 mm. The unit is mm. Unit is mm. So if you type example 1004 and enter, so the this 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 long is 1000. Dimension is here. It is the dimension again. So when you drag it, the dimension here is increased. See, it's increased the dimension here. Press space to ease it. And second, how to use select. Easy, drag it from left to right. That's select. Or from right to left. Yeah, that's select. And here, move. How to use move? Example, I draw a space here. This one. Okay, I press. Okay, I want to move this one. How to move it? Use move. Yeah. Click on it. Type M, and you can move it. Yeah, move it to where you want. Or here, and here. You see the dash line. The dash line is synchronized to this. It's green, meaning it's synchronized. Yeah. Again, select on it. Click on it and type M, drag it, move here. Yeah, space to exit. Okay, you already know this. Press space to exit. When you draw something and finish, and then you press space to exit. Yeah, it come back to select. You see the cursor is like this select. Press space to select, or to escape. press space to escape. Okay, and then undo redo. You type Control Z or here redo, redo, undo. This is redo, yeah. Undo, redo. Okay, that's cool. Top here. And zoom. Zoom. You use your scroll. This is zoom in. This is zoom out. Use your scroll. You scroll in your mouse. Okay. And orbit. What is orbit? Orbit meaning rotate. Rotate. Rotate, like, see this? This is rotate. You can find out it here. Here. Orbit. Click here and yeah, you can rotate to left, right, up, down. Press space to exit. Or you can use your scroll. Just click, hold it and scroll up, down to rotate. This is orbit. Yes. And then use pan. Pan meaning move here. You can move it. Yeah. Move up, down, left, right, pan. Okay, press space to escape, to exit. And erase. Okay. Erase. Click here. For example, you want to delete this. In your keyboard, you find the keyboard, the word erase. Delete. See, delete. How you wanna delete this and press here, erase here. Click on it. See, from left to right or right to left to delete. That's erase here. Press space to escape. I'll redo again. Okay. And then measure unit. Okay, you already one is here. It's come over here when you draw something. Again, so you take a pen, so the unit will come up here. And also we want to measure. How to measure it? Measure, you can take a this and this. You can see the unit here, the length here, how many? It 4035, yeah. Escape again. Use pen, or you can measure this one. It's 10919, yeah. This is cool, but also you can use here. See, use here, but it's fixed there. It's not delete. It's fixed there. See, it's fixed here. It's not gone. If you want to, you can delete it. Press delete, or you can erase it here, delete. Okay, press space to escape. And then push pull. Push pull. Okay, so I want to delete this one. I will draw again. Delete. Okay. Example, I take this rectangle. Example, this one. So push pull here. I'm sorry, here. Push pull here. Press on this surface and up or down. It's up to you. This is called push pull. Or here. Or here. Or here. Yeah. It's up to you. Yeah. Press space to escape. And then use reverse face. What is reverse face? Reverse face example. Okay, this is middle. Okay, I will draw for you first. escape. I want to use a erase here. Okay, escape. Okay, reverse face mean push pull here, click here. You see, it's hole inside. I don't want a hole, so I press Control and push it. That's called reverse face. Again, Control C. If I press like this, so you see the surface have hole, yeah? I'm sorry. Again. So the surface has hole here, yeah? But if you press Control, if you press Control, so the surface have no hole here. That's called reverse face. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for the next lesson. Let me see. Lesson 9, yeah. Hope you subscribe and what to see special in lesson 9. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.